rise and help us welcome on stage our coach, AVP Sharfan Sheikh.
Freedom 2.0! Make some noise! I can't hear you guys there! Make some noise! Can you hear me? I can't hear you. Lovely. Settle down. Okay. I can see you guys really excited. So for most of them, you can understand Hindi, right? Did you listen to the lyrics? It says, people who will criticize you today will one day salute you. And when you follow your dreams, the universe will come down to give you everything that you want. Are you with me? So yesterday was an amazing day, right? With a lot of fun, excitement, and a lot of emotion. And I guess I was asking people who I met and also received messages saying the highlight of the day was the video that was shown. Yes or no? So I guess one round of applause for this core team to put that beautiful video which expressed the emotion that we carry. Okay. We will. Okay, you want to start the day with that video? So if the AV is ready, they'll give me. Okay, so we'll start with that video. So okay, what do I want you all to do is, I want you to express what you felt in one word. When I point out your area, if there is somebody who wants to say something, one word you felt very strongly and you want that in your life, okay? Love, strength, genuine friendship, love, team, okay? Love, बहुत प्यार हो गया, love हो गया बहुत. Team, okay, the team. Okay, how many of them, when that was going on, you saw yourself, ek din, and different role, huh? You might be visualizing as an upline, or you might be visualizing as a team who was coming. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter whether you're playing a role of an upline or downline at that moment. But you understood that feeling, right? How many of them saw yourself? Even if you have just come alone in this event, even if you've come alone in this event, you saw yourself. And you said, I want something like this. And I had people sending me messages saying, what you said was so true. We have responsibilities, we have duties towards family and our jobs, which we do before business and even during the business. But the only relationship is friendship. If that is so genuine, we will conquer the world. Yes or no? When you have the true, genuine team, you'll conquer the world. Okay, so we have the video. Done enough of filler.
लोगों को आते हैं दो नजर हम मगर देखो दो नहीं ओ जुदा या खफा खुदा है दुआ ऐसा हो नहीं खाना पीना साथ है मरना जीना साथ है खाना पीना साथ है मरना जीना साथ है सारी जिंदगी ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे मेरी जीत तेरी हार मेरी हार सुन मेरे यार तेरा गम मेरा गम मेरी जान तेरी जान ऐसा अपना प्यार जान पे भी खेलेंगे तेरे लिए ले लेंगे जान पे भी खेलेंगे तेरे लिए ले लेंगे सबसे दुश्मन ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे मेरी जीत तेरी हार मेरी हार सुन मेरे यार तेरा गम मेरा गम मेरी जान तेरी जान ऐसा अपना प्यार जान पे भी खेलेंगे, तेरे लिए ले लेंगे। जान पे भी खेलेंगे, तेरे लिए ले लेंगे। सबसे दुश्मन ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे। ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे, तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे, तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे।
When were you shooting all these things? I'm just wondering. Next time, second time when I saw, I was just wondering, ये कब shoot किया था? ये कब shoot किया था? There were hidden cameras, I guess. How many of them saw that dance step? That is our CC's signature style of Mithunda. How many of them want to see that on stage? So CC, and obviously followed by ACCs. Come on. Come. No, all the ACCs also. And HO, come. Come. You also come. No? HO is like already in the... Yeah, everyone, come. Come. Remove your walkies. Freedom 2.0! Give your love to the core! Mithunda.
Disco dancer, I am a disco dancer, I am a disco dancer. Zindagi mera gaana.
Once more, one more step. Once again. One last.
To jhumo, to nacho, aur mere saath nacho, go! I am a disco dancer. Hey! I am a disco dancer.
Round of applause, guys, for the core. It's such an amazing business, right? You can do so many things here. I was watching people practice, so passionate. People get to do everything in this business. Everything. It's so much fun, right? So yesterday we had an amazing day. With this video, you saw how, with so much fun and no pressure, there is nobody telling you, pushing you to fulfill your dreams. It's you who's excited to fulfill your dreams, and that's why you start having fun. Can I walk down? So you are excited to have fun. And that's why whatever you do, you put so much love in that it will manifest. You understand? Everybody understands about manifestation. If you want to manifest anything, like a woman when she conceives, she knows in 9 months she's going to manifest a beautiful life. Yes or no? To manifest that beautiful life, there are lots of things she follows. She follows not to listen to anything negative, not to watch anything negative, not to speak anything negative, not to have anything around that is negative. Why? Because she's going to manifest something so beautiful. You understand? And at the same time, she's asked by all the elderly people to read books, which is going to help her manifest something beautiful. No, every culture has this. When a woman conceives and she's expecting, at ghar pe na, at home, you have these cute baby pictures. Yes or no? Why? Because you want that kind of a dream coming true. Beautiful. So yesterday, there are few people who got pregnant. You understand what does it mean? You conceived a dream. You conceived, when I was talking, I don't know which moment would that be, but you conceived a dream. How many of them know you have conceived a dream? You saw something, you visualized something. Maybe in that video, there was a moment you saw, I also with my friends. So you conceived. You've conceived a dream now. So in a way, you're pregnant, guys. Congratulations. So you are pregnant. Now, what are you supposed to do when you have conceived? You have to take care. This dream is like your baby. Even for men, probably you don't know the experience of carrying a baby for 9 months. You don't know what that experience is. But I'm sure you know and you will experience how it feels to carry a dream. You understand? You have seen a woman who's expecting how she walks. She walks with pride. You have seen her? Like, she's so happy. How many mothers sitting here? If you agree to what I'm saying, I want to hear you. So you agree that happens. You walk. You want the world to know that I have a baby. I have a life. I have a life inside me and this is mine. There are times when a mother forgets the father of the baby. Forgets the father of the baby and she feels it's my baby. So there are times when the father doesn't understand a lot of things. But a mother is very conscious that she's carrying the baby. And she carries the baby with a lot of pride and excitement and happiness. Yes or no? So they carry it on their face. Have you seen a woman who's expecting? Her face glows. Her face glows. You know why that glows? Because she's only thinking about that baby. There is nothing else. She doesn't know what is happening on the economy front in this world. She doesn't know where the banking industry is moving. She has no clue about what's happening in politics. She has no interest in how there is so many things not in place throughout the world. The only thing that matters to her is her baby. Yes or no? And she carries that baby with so much pride and excitement and happiness, only thinking about that day when she will see that baby. Now, does she go through emotional pains during that period? Mothers here, tell me yes or no. Yes. Yes, she does. She goes through a lot of emotional things. They call it hormonal changes. She herself has no clue what's happening to her. She's ready to go through it. Does she go through mental pains? Yes or no? Are you guys with me here? I want you to say, I am here. Say, I am here. I am here. So a mother goes through all these mental, emotional pains. And then there's something called as physical pain. To manifest something so beautiful for the mother, she's ready to go through the pain, which is a matter of life and death. Do you even understand what it means? She is ready to die for that one manifestation. And each one sitting here is a manifestation of one of the women in this world. She manifested you. She for 9 months thought of you. And you manifested. And yesterday when I said that people sitting here, everyone, you are somebody's dream. Now you understand what I meant? So you conceived yesterday, you became pregnant. So I want you to say, I am pregnant. I am pregnant. I have a dream. And I want you to say it with a lot of happiness, a smile on your face. Trust me, by the time you go back to your town, people are going to say, your face is glowing. Was there a facial or something that happened in Thailand? So what do you say? I have a dream. I have a dream. And when you have a dream, then I'm going to tell you, like any woman who's pregnant, and they have elders who tell them what to do, I have delivered a lot of babies in this business. So I am like your grandmother who's going to tell you, बेटा, अब प्रेग्नेंट हो गए हो. अब मैं बताती हूँ क्या करना है. So you are pregnant, you've got a dream. There are do's and don'ts. So the moment you announce to your parents and break this beautiful good news, the first thing, what happens with parents? What do they do? What do they start doing? They are so happy. बेटा तू बाप बनने वाला है. मैं नानी बनूंगी, मैं दादी बनूंगी. And the first thing she wants to do is tell the whole world. Tell the whole world. And tell the whole world that now my son is a man. My son is a man. And now from a man, he's going to become a father. My daughter is a woman. From being a woman, she's going to become a mother. That is a feeling that every parent carries. And they go excited telling the world about their children that my son, my daughter is expecting a baby, and I feel so good about this. Yes or no? So when you go and tell your upline, I have a dream. You know what your upline is going to do? Send messages to all the uplines. You know what he said? He said he has a dream. So he walked in, registered in this business like an IR. But now, this IR, this friend of mine, this brother of mine, this whoever you are, to the person who referred you, he'll say from that, he's now a dreamer. He's become a dreamer. And he will believe in his dreams. And I am going to be with him. So like your parents keep asking, घर आ जाऊं, लड्डू बना दूं. What laddu do they make? Those, not basic. All those laddus, salt, this, healthy laddus. So what we do, the moment we know you guys are now expecting, अब लड्डू बन के present होंगे उस stage पे. So you'll have the healthiest food coming. It will be served in the most amazing platform the world has ever seen. So you will get to have a lot of healthy food. Don't leave the arena. Because you don't know कौन सा लड्डू तुम्हारे ड्रीम को और खूबसूरत बना सकता है. Are you with me? Now, while we are going to be presenting, I am going to share few things. And I'm going to share it with some stories. Are you ready? Yes. So, are you ready for some stories? Yes. So, the first story is about Akbar and Birbal. How many of them have heard Akbar and Birbal? So Akbar, King Akbar, is a very, very well-known king. He's conquered half of the world. And he's got his ministers. One of his ministers' name was Birbal. And Birbal happened to be a very intelligent, a person with very high wisdom. And there are other ministers too. Now what happens is, it becomes very obvious that Akbar, out of all the ministers, loves Birbal a lot. Now when he loves Birbal a lot, the other ministers start having a little problem. Because they haven't attended Freedom 2.0, you see. They have this habit of comparing. So they all get together and decide, like, we got to do something. This King Akbar is too close, getting closer to Birbal. Now, if he's getting too close, chances are very high that slowly we might lose our position and he might start heading us. So now they're thinking, making all those conspiracies of how, क्या करें ऐसा कि ये बिरबल ना निकल जाए हमारे life से. Now while they are doing all these things, one day, King Akbar conquers one more kingdom and he's very happy. And there is one thing that everybody hears from Birbal. Birbal had this very common thing every time. He would always say, जो भी होता है, अच्छे के लिए होता है. Whatever happens, happens for good. Now these ministers are tired of this line. Like for everything, You can't say, जो भी होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. You can't be saying this for everything. So whatever happens, happens for good. So they are sick and tired. They feel this Birbal is very chalu, very smart. He's got this one line. He uses this everywhere and then keeps saying that I have a lot of wisdom. So now they're waiting with all this thing going on, and one day King Akbar, after conquering one kingdom, comes back. He's very happy. He says, I'm so happy that today I want to cook for all the ministers. He decides to cook for all the ministers. And he gets into the Shahi kitchen and he starts cooking. So while he's cooking, one of his fingers gets cut. What happens? Fingers get cut. Cut bologe to aise. Fingers get cut. The fingers, one of the fingers get cut. And he starts bleeding profusely, like dripping, and he's running around. All the ministers, they start getting this panicky state. Doctors, everyone come and they do whatever stuff. And then he looks at Birbal and says, what do you have to say? He says, what does he say? Whatever happens, happens for good. जो भी होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है राजा जी. कोई reason होगा. Now he is in pain. And he is King Akbar. And all these ministers start going and talking to him and saying, आपको कुछ समझ में आ रहा है? इसके पास कुछ नहीं है देने के लिए. आपकी उंगली कट गई. आप इतने बड़े राजा हो और आपकी उंगली कट गई और वो बोल रहे हैं जो भी होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. And Akbar is also pissed now. He says, maybe what the ministers are saying is right. He says, you know what? All this while I thought he was a person with a lot of wisdom, but doesn't seem like he is. So I want him to be behind the bars. So he's been put behind the bars. Days pass by. And one day, King Akbar decides to go for shikar, hunting. And he goes for hunting. And all the ministers, everybody go. You know, those days, hunting used to be one of the hobbies. So King Akbar with his ministers go for hunting. And they're going on the horse. And they go. And somehow they get lost. They get lost. And while they're finding the way, there are these people in the whole forest. वो जो जंगली लोग होते हैं, the people who live in the forest. Adivasis, yeah, those people who cannot communicate in the language that King Akbar could. They were living in some jungle for ages. Now those guys see these people and they feel that they have come to attack them. So they catch all this whole troop, they tie them off. And they had this culture of sacrificing. So they decide that we have so many people to sacrifice. If we sacrifice their lives, our life will be great. So they decide. They get all those musicians, and they're all happy, dancing and all that. Now they're going to sacrifice. Now before the sacrifice, there is one more thing that they need to check. For sacrificing, the whole body should be 100% non-defective. Defected, whatever. What is the word? Defected. Should not have any defect. I think better. So should not have any defect. So they check. The first minister, 100%. They dance, very happy. One person is good. And they keep checking. Everybody seem to be perfect. Except for King Akbar. Because he has a defect. He doesn't have one finger. And what do? They say, you are useless. So they say, get lost. So King Akbar, praise to God, gets onto the horse, back. He comes back. And then he remembers, that, Birbal had said this. He had said once that jo bhi hota hai, अच्छे के लिए होता है. Whatever happens for good. He remembers that and he says, release Birbal. I want to talk to him. So Birbal comes, very composed, with high wisdom he comes. And he says, Akbar says, I understand that you believe in this fact. You believe in this truth. You believe in this law that whatever happens for good. So whatever happened with me was good. But you are such a nice person. Why did you get behind the bars? Why did you go through so much pain? He says, if I wouldn't have been behind the bars, I would have been with you. And I wouldn't have been coming back. Tuguruk. So for all the people who have conceived in your entire journey, just remember, whatever happens for good. He has a plan. He has a plan. If your mother will never ever do anything that will be bad for you, वो तो तुम्हारे माँ का भी बाप है. Are you getting me? He's the biggest upline that anybody can have. So, if your mother cannot do anything that will be bad for you, how do you think he will do anything bad for you? So you might not understand why your finger has got cut. He's planning something. You can't see what he's already seen. So if something happens, do not sit, sulk, cry, complain. Just have faith. It's a very powerful thing. Have faith. What you do has to be, that is the only thing that is in your control. What happens to you is not in your control. It's a very big thing. You have to tattoo it wherever, your best part of your body, which is visible to you. Don't tattoo it somewhere that everybody else sees and you don't. So just remember this, that he has a plan and you got to have faith. Without faith, you will never be able to. You will never be able to achieve anything. Because you will be so busy. You'll be so busy in this. Like VP Sachin says, kir kir. He says kir kir. Now when I say kir kir, you all understand what it means. There are a list of things that can come in that kir kir. So when you have faith, you don't have kir kir. And when you have faith, you got to have 100% faith. You can't say, I have faith, but. ये जो but है ना, ये सबका but लेके चला जाएगा. I have faith, but. Imagine, how many of them have a partner in your life today? You have a partner in your life. So your partner comes to you. You have a partner in your life? Not yet. Say not yet. You have? Your partner comes to you and says, what's your name? So she says, Ajay, I'm loyal to you, but you are going to be like, and she just says that and walks off. तुम्हारे बट का क्या हालत हो रहा होगा तभी. How can somebody say, I am loyal to you, but? Are you guys getting me? Guys, I wish all these things would have been covered in our schools. Nobody taught us. These things used to be taught in those old, 200 years back. Children were taught how to build character, not personality. How to have faith, how to believe. Because these are the things that are going to take you. Not your degrees, not your qualifications. Qualifications will help you. Your degrees will help you, it will support you. But the degree in itself is nothing. Are you with me? Even if there is somebody who can chop the onions better than your mother, but what your mother can prepare, nobody in this world can prepare for you. Yes or no, guys? So you need to understand, because she has an intent. Exactly like that, your faith and belief is so important for you to become successful. So you got to remember this. Whatever happens, happens for good. Don't complain. The moment you start complaining, it means you feel he is not good enough. Agreed or not? In anything, it is nothing to do with only business. Anything in your life. When something happens, it happens, correct? It is happening. Ungli Katana was something that happened with Akbar. If he would have sat and said, from today I took a decision, I am not going to cook. What will you call him? Don't tell me, but you know. I mean, that's not the right decision to take. It's not because he entered the kitchen is why he cut his finger. It's not because he conquered a kingdom is why he cut. Nobody understands the reasons. So don't find the reasons why it happened. Hey, if you think you can know the reason, you are God. Which you are not. You are not God. We are not God. So stop finding, क्यों हुआ होगा? अरे घंटा कुछ पता चलेगा क्यों होगा? Are you serious that you will find out? मुझे पता है. Oh my God. The moment somebody says, मुझे पता है. Oh. I have surrendered. कुछ नहीं पता है. The only thing that I know is there is something that I know I can do, I will do. I go on stage. This is a little slippery. I go, I fall down. And I say, you know what? You know why it happened to me? Because, are you serious? Are you serious that I'm going to say that it happened to me? Because I don't know why I fell down. I have no clue why I fell down. The only thing that I can ask is, okay, you made me fall, but what is the message I need to understand? Because you will not do anything with me unless you have a reason. What is it? That let me know. And then my upline will come and say something. I'll say, God sent him. God sent him. So when I go to my upline and say, I don't know why I am not able to do what I want to do, he will only say, he will only and only say what he wants him to say. Yes or no? So everybody has heard this, and in any religion, you belong to any culture, any religion. One thing it's always said, not even a blade of grass. घास का एक तिनका, not even a blade of grass can move without his will. एक घास का तिनका भी हिल नहीं सकता है उसकी मर्जी के बगैर. So everything happens for good. Now when you know everything is happening for good, how are you going to be? How is your manifestation going to be? Beautiful. Because you're not thinking anything. Anything happens to you, say, must be for something good, I don't know. I don't know. And probably when I need to know, it will come to me. The reason will come to me. I'll get to know. Are you with me? So remember this. So that's the story. Are you interested in more stories? Are you ready for some more stories? So let me share another story. You like stories, huh? So every morning I'll come and share some stories with you. So, let's say you buy a camera. Instead of saying camera, I would say probably a phone which has a good camera, because nowadays nobody buys a camera. Let's say you have bought something that has got an amazing camera. Now, how many of them, when you know your phone has got 10 megapixel, 20 megapixel, I don't know what more technically how you would do, call a camera a best camera, but let's say you find out the camera has got this 20 megapixel and you have just opened the phone. The phone has come in your hand. Now, even before putting the SIM card, the first thing that you're going to do is, now if you are one of them who will click a picture, say, how many of them? Hey, don't make noise from your voice. Make it from here. If you are going to be one of those people, the moment the phone comes to you, you're going to do, then do it round. Wow, so beautiful it was. I feel like doing it again and again. So you're going to do this. Correct? Okay. Too many pictures that you've clicked. So let's say you get the phone and you want to click this picture. And you just kind of open and you suddenly move. There are two kids sitting. One of the kids, very sincerely, nicely combed his hair, sitting and reading what he's supposed to and doing his homework. That's one corner. The other corner, there is another kid. That kid, his books are around, his shirt is come out, and his legs are spread. And there is one toy, small toy, which is broken. And what he's doing is, he's trying to fix the toy. And while he's fixing the toy, he's using Fevicol, and the Fevicol is here, and he's fixing. Is the camera on me? He's fixing. And you see both the kids. The first one is sincerely doing what a kid should do. The other one is busy fixing his toy. Now the first picture, like you've taken the phone, the first picture, obviously you would want to click the picture for both. The first picture that you will click will be the number 1 or number 2. Number? Why everybody? How? Nobody's different here. Sabka dil same hai. You will click the second kids because he's so cute. So cute, like doing. You're capturing cuteness. You want to capture this in one picture, the cuteness. And you click the picture. You know what you saw? He's so busy. He's such a small kid. छोटा सा बच्चा अपना खिलौना इसको खिलौना कितना important है, right? He looks so cute being busy with something that he wants. Agreed or not? So you, who's his creation, you are his creation, and your heart beats same. When you see a kid busy with one small toy, and you feel so cute. So how many of them here want to max out one day? So for you, max out is that toy. But when God is watching, He looks at that max out and He says, such a small toy you're playing. Right? But when He watches you being busy, fixing this whole thing so that you can start maxing out one day, what is the first thing He will do with His camera? He looks from top and he says, oh, so cute. What's your name? So cute, Shweta. Your baby, look, she's playing with her max out. Want to fix her max out. And the first thing he's going to do is, so he'll do kichik. Now second thing, now you've clicked the picture. Now you look at the toy. That toy costs you around 1 rupee, 1 Indian rupee. For how many of them 1 rupee is not a big deal? It's not a big deal. You're not going to say, मेरे जायदाद में से कितना जाएगा? You're not going to think so much. 1 rupee. And you know that you walk out of the house, there is one shop where you get this toy. What are you going to do? You will go buy and give it to him because you can see it will not be fixed. He's trying, but you can see it cannot be fixed. And what will you do? You'll buy it and give it to him. The kid is least bothered where the toy came from. The only thing he was busy was in one thought, I want this toy. So when you stop thinking about how will your max out come to you, keep being busy fixing what you want in your life. You don't know how it's going to come. It will come to you. It will just come to you. So whatever for you is very big, for him it's one small toy. It's not even 1 rupee. ये पूरी दुनिया कायनात बनाई है. तुम्हारा डायमंड इज ऐसे करके it will come. Yes or no? So it will come to you. But he has to see you passionate about fixing your toy. So another message. If you have a dream and you think you have already conceived, be passionate. Keep doing whatever you can do. Do not bother about what will happen to you. And you being passionate, you being in love with that fixing is what will ensure that the universe will conspire and ensure that he gives you what you want to have in your life. And your dream will fall in your lap. Are you with me? So be passionate, guys. Be passionate. So I know for most of you, you have just learned how to show the plan. When you show the plan, show it passionately. Don't think, ये plan से कैसे मैं millionaire बनूंगा? हमको नहीं पता है. अगर हमको पता होता तो क्या होता? बात क्या होती? Agreed or not? हमको नहीं पता है. Just do it with passion. Enjoy. So what you saw in that video is that we are just passionate. How's the Freedom logo? Do you understand? ये बनाने के लिए ना 2 दिन नहाए नहीं है, सोच रहे हैं कैसे करें, क्या थॉट डालें. No, literally. When I say 2 दिन नहीं नहाए, हम भी नहीं नहाते हैं कभी कभी. Because we are passionate. वो टॉय फिक्स करने में इतने लगे हुए हैं, याद ही नहीं है कि अरे 2 दिन हो गए नहा के. Are you getting me? I'm not promoting not having shower, okay? Understand? Now don't go back. There are husband, wife sitting here, and wife prefers the husband takes shower every day, and husband goes back. Listen, honey, I don't need to take shower every day. Because that was what was told. मेरे नाम पे कहीं पे भी बिल मत फाड़ना. Are you getting me? So, there are moments like everything that you see, you ऐसे उंगली घुमाना, कहीं पे भी उंगली रखना. You can see those city names there. To make that Freedom World Cup, there are people नींद नहीं आती है, रात को 3 बजे आइडिया आता है, एक काम करें, मेरे को एक आइडिया है, दूसरा, हाँ बोल. द पर्सन डजंट से कल बात करेंगे, वो भी एक्साइटेड है ना, कल क्या बात करेंगे, आज, बिकॉज फिक्सिंग द टॉय. थिंक अबाउट दैट किड जो फिक्स कर रहा है, उसको यही दिखाई दे रहा है कि फेविकॉल नहीं तो कुछ और दे दो. मम्मी बोलेगी बेटा खाना खाने आ, ना मैं अभी नहीं बाबा, मम्मा मैं बाद में आऊंगा, मम्मा अभी नहीं, मम्मा नहीं अभी नहीं, मम्मा प्लीज. उसको लगता है खाना वाना क्यों खाते हैं इस दुनिया में लोग. 8 बज गए, सो जाओ. क्यों सोते हैं लोग, मेरी टॉय अभी तक फिक्स नहीं हुई है. He can keep fixing the toy and sleep, and he'll wake up and he doesn't want to brush his teeth, he doesn't want to do anything. Or she doesn't want to do anything. And you have forgotten you were that child once upon a time. You were that child once upon a time. We are not talking about some other child, it's you. You are the child who has tried to fix your toy when you were a kid. And today, just because the world says it's a big thing is why you feel it's not a toy anymore. Are you with me? So stop this thought whenever it pops. You can fix anything, but you just got to do passionately. Are you with me? So one last story, and then we can start the day with some amazing, crazy, mad. How many of them from Maharashtra? Satak Lele. They're all Satak Lele. People gonna walk in on the stage. So one last story. So there was this well, and in that well, there was some around 5 monkeys who fell in that well. And the rest of the monkeys are watching them from top. And these monkeys, they're trying to come out of that well. So one of the monkeys jumps and jumps and jumps and jumps and tries to come out. And all the monkeys from top are watching. And they watch. It's very difficult. It's not possible. So the first monkey jumps, they all watch. The second monkey says, let me try. And he starts jumping to come out. He jumps and jumps and jumps and he tries, not able to come out. Now the third monkey comes. By the time the third monkey comes, all the monkeys on the top are saying, listen, it's not possible. Just give up. I don't think you'll be able to make it. And that monkey, even before trying, he tries lesser than the previous 2 monkeys, and he gives up. The fourth monkey comes. The fourth monkey says, let me try. And he tries to jump out. He tries to jump out. All the set of monkeys which are on top start saying, possible nahi hai. It's not possible. You saw the other monkeys. So to give up. You are wasting your energy. You will die sooner. It's okay. Just rest. So their energy is gone up, telling that monkey. And the 5th monkey comes and he says, starts jumping. And all these monkeys on top, they say, tu buddhu hai. Thank God I remembered what to say. Tu buddhu hai. Tu pagal hai. तूने देखा नहीं. हो नहीं सकता है. बाकी 4 लोग क्या बंदर हैं क्या? उन्होंने भी तो कोशिश की थी. नहीं पॉसिबल है. नहीं बाहर निकल सकता है. So all the monkeys outside get together and keep telling him, don't, just give up. Not possible. You'll keep jumping, you'll fall, you will die. And this monkey, the more they say, the more it jumps. The more they say, the more it jumps. And then somehow he just comes out. And he's out. And he looks here and there. And he starts hugging all the monkeys. And those monkeys look at him and they say, like, how did you make it? And the monkey say, The monkey was deaf. And that monkey thought those monkeys on top are trying to encourage. Come on, you will make it. You'll be able to do it. Don't give up. It's your dream. Come out. That's what he heard. That's what that monkey heard. Because he had a dream to come out. So guys, there are moments in our life when we feel that we are in a well. And we all want to come out. So one message is, do not listen to people. Because if you start listening to people, your belief that you will be able to make it, you will fulfill your dream, that belief will get shaken because there are people there telling you, you cannot, you shouldn't. So do not listen. It's only and only because that monkey didn't know that he can't make it. So coming back to the story of the toy, people are telling you diamond is very big. Don't listen. It's not very big. When he wants to give it, it's not very big. Are you with me? So everybody wants to become diamond. You are those monkeys who want to achieve your dreams. You know one day I can become diamond. And there are people there telling you, बहुत बड़ा dream है. पागल है क्या? You seriously think $20,000 a week मजाक है क्या? And you're saying, हाँ बात तो सही है. Stop listening. वो उसके लिए $20,000 a week is very big. Because there is nobody to tell him that for him, $20 in 1 second is also possible. You just need to ask for it and work for it. He will give it to you. Are you with me? So all the people here who are expecting and have already conceived and you want to manifest what matters to you the most, that dream. If you want to manifest that, then remember, whatever happens, happens for good. What is it? So let's say it in one go. Whatever happens, happens for good. Once again, whatever happens, happens for good. The second, we got to be passionate. So you have to have a dream and you have fallen in love with your dream and you're passionate about your dream. Another thing, do not let your belief get shaken. Because he has the power to give a life to another human being. Having a baby is a life. So for people who have children, how many people who have children? Do you even know there are people in this world praying to God to have a child? And you already have one. So that means he can give you. It's a very big thing for so many parents who wanting a child and not having one. So if it can happen to you, it can happen to others. If it has happened to you, even diamond can happen to you. So first thing, have a dream. Believe in your dream. Because dreams do come true. I love you guys. I'll see you again.